Hello students, welcome to math class. Today we will start the third part of chapter 7. So in page number 75 you can see 3 questions are there. We will solve it. Check if your guess is correct and fill the table. Here is the guess, here is the measurement. This you will do on your own. Now we will come to these questions. Look at Adityan is saying. Look what Adityan is saying. I poured 1 small bottles of water to fill this 1 liter bottle. So he poured 2 bottles of these small bottles. Okay, 2 bottles of water from the small bottles to fill this 1 liter bottle. How much water does his small bottle hold? So page number 75, question number 1. Again I am saying the question. Look what Adityan is saying. How much water does his small bottle hold? I poured 2 small bottles of water to fill this 1 liter bottle. Now the answer. Adityan has a small bottle. He pours 2 small bottles water to fill a 1 liter bottle. We know 1000 milliliter equals 1 liter. Capacity of the big bottles equals 1000 milliliter. Now he uses the small bottle 2 times to fill the big bottle. Capacity of the small bottles equals 1000 divided by 2 equals 500 milliliter. Thus the bottle can hold 500 milliliter of water. Now the next question is, then how much water does Leela's bottle hold? To fill the 1 liter bottle, I need to pour water 5 times from my small bottle. So Leela has to pour 5 times from his small bottle to fill the 1 liter of big bottle. Now answer. Leela has a small bottle. She pours 5 small bottles of water to fill a 1 liter bottle. We know 1000 milliliter equals 1 liter. Capacity of big bottle equals 1000 milliliter. We all know that. Now Leela uses the small bottles 5 times to fill the big bottles. So capacity of the small bottles equal 1000 divided by 5. Because she has to fill 5 times. So the capacity will be 1000 divided by 5. That is 200 milliliter. Thus Leela's bottle can hold 200 milliliter of water. Now next question. Ramu's measuring bottle. Ramu got an empty 250 milliliter coconut oil bottle. Look at the picture and discuss what he did to make his big measuring bottle. Now the answer. Ramu will take 2 empty bottles, one of large size and another 250 milliliter coconut oil bottle. So here you can see that this is Ramu. Ramu got empty 250 milliliter coconut oil bottle. This is the 250 milliliter coconut oil bottle. Look at the picture and discuss what he did to make the big measuring bottle. From this bottle, how he has filled this measuring bottle, how he has taken the measurement. Here you can see measurement is written, that is 250 milliliter, 500 milliliter, 750 milliliter and 1 liter. How he has taken the measurement. Okay. Now the answer is Ramu will take 2 empty bottles, one of large size and another 250 milliliter coconut oil bottle. That we already know. Ramu will fill the 250 milliliter bottle that he has in his hand, that is 250 milliliter bottle, with water and pour the entire water into the big bottle. Okay. He will at first take the 250 milliliter bottle, fill it with water and pour the entire water into the big bottle. Now he will mark the level in the big bottle as 250 milliliter. Okay, he has taken the first mark. Next, he will repeat this process and now he will mark the level as 500 milliliter. Again he will fill the water and pour 250 milliliter. 250 milliliter plus 250 milliliter equals 500 milliliter. So he will write there 500. Mark the level. Now he will again fill the 250 milliliter bottle and now he will mark the level as 750 milliliter. Samely, he will again repeat the process and now he will mark the level as 1 liter. In this way, Ramu got the measuring bottle with clear markings on it. Now the assignment. Do all the works in your book given today. Okay? And show me afterwards.